Hi everyone, my name is Risha, and today I will make a circuit with a temperature sensors and a temperature. To start, we need to agree on. Then the second is a board. Next is LCD 16 by 2. And then the next is the temperature sensor. And it also the resistor. So we need to connect the resistor in the cathode. And now we need to connect to our Arduino. So the power will be the positive, and then the ground is for the negative. And about so for the valve is we will be connecting to analog pin A. So for the anode, of LCD is we will be connecting this to the positive to the DB7. So for the positive, change first. So for the 87, uh, we need to connect it to our Arduino Uno to the digital pin. So DB7 is just 2, then DB6, so for the ground, um, for the ground, we need it to connect this for the negative. For our contrast, also for the negative. And for the power is for the positive. And for our register select, we need to connect it into the digital pin. And for the red and white, for the negative. And for unable is for 11. So uh, so for the ground of our Arduino, we will be connecting these two negative. So for our and for the 5 volts, the our 5 volts will be connecting this into a positive. So this temperature sensors and LCDs, we will be having a code. We will go to the text, and after that, I will paste it. And after I will paste that I have already coded. Then, we should start simulation. So as you can see, the temperature is working. So that's all. Thank you, and for today's video.